Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. Of course, I'm always excited to be here and always excited to share new videos with you all. But I am especially excited today because today marks the milestone of 20,000 subscribers on this channel. Yes, actually we've exceeded 20,000, so we are over 20K strong community of luxury fashion lovers. Yay! Yes, who thought that 2 years into my YouTube journey we would be at this point? I'm just so supremely thankful for each and every one of you, everyone who watches my videos, who gives the thumbs up, and likes the videos, who comments and debates with me. Yes, I even appreciate the comments that are controversial because we chat, we debate, and we learn, right? So this is just a really fun, thoughtful community. I am very appreciative. I find that many of you are incredibly funny and witty and creative and sweet, just so kind. So I'm very thankful. I can't say it enough to be here, to have the privilege of creating content for you all, and for being able to share like fun, frivolous, fashion, luxury stuff with you guys. I buy things, I check things out, I research things, and then I can share with you like we're all friends. So you are my virtual friends. So thank you. I wanted to do something extra special, so we're going to do a double unboxing, and yes, that means a double giveaway for the 20K milestone. So I'm going to jump right into it, and then I will share all of the giveaway rules. So be sure to watch the entire video so that you don't miss out on any details. The very first goodie that I actually picked up a while ago, I'm finally going to reveal it. It is from... Dun, 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 dun. Yes, it's from the house of Hermes. Of course, you can recognize this beautiful orange little box. And I wonder, based on the size, if you can guess what it is. It's not that big. Let's get into it. I've had this for a little while now, and I have just been waiting to unbox this. So I'm so excited. Let me get in here. And by the way, I'm sitting at the foot of our Christmas tree. Every year, my husband and kids and I, we go choose a fresh Christmas tree, and this time they chose not a very big one, kind of small to medium, more manageable, and my kids lovingly decorated it all on their own because now they're old enough to do that, so thought this would be a nice backdrop. So here is the item. Dun, 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 dun. And it is the Hermes Bastia in this beautiful color. This color is officially called Rose Texas Quebracho. So it's kind of a mouthful, but it's a beautiful pop of color. You will not lose this in your handbag for sure. It's very vibrant. In fact, I would say it's more vibrant in person than it is showing up here on camera. And by the way, if the lighting goes in and out, it's because I'm sitting by the windows, and depending on how the sunlight hits, it's going to change. But no special lighting, you guys know I don't get fancy. So, ta-da! This is what it looks like on the inside. Yes, pop of neutral color on the inside. Now, this is special because many of the Bastias are all one color, and this has the two-tone color contrast, and as you can see in there, it says Hermes Paris, made in France. Yes. The leather is the Mysore goatskin, and goatskin in general is supposed to be quite durable, so for a little SLG like this, you do want it to, stand the test of time. So I'm hoping that this holds up. Now, if you think you're seeing double, or if you recognize this, it's because I have two. Yes, at the time when I bought mine, which I had unboxed a few videos back in an Hermes unboxing video, I think it was. Yeah, I got this, and then I ordered another one so that we could twin, and I saved it until this moment. So they're the exact same. I'll show you mine. I don't want to touch the new one too much. This is mine here, same pop of neutral, and as you can see, I have all of my coins in there at the moment. And the beauty of the Bastia, if you're not familiar, is you can see all your coins like this. It kind of slides forward, and there's a little catcher here so it doesn't fall out. So you don't have to rummage through to find your coins. And a lot of people also are using this for cash. So it's versatile. You can use it for whatever you would like. I know you could also use it for like little buttons and safety pins or hair ties. So get creative with it, but it's a nice little SLG. This one here retails for $235. That's US dollars. It's just a little bit more than the other Bastias because it does have that two-tone color contrast, if you were curious. And of course, it goes without saying, but any of the giveaway items that are featured in this video are paid for by me, by my own money, as a sincere gesture of my gratitude. So just wanted to share that. Now, let's move on to the second goodie. Can you guess? Do you think it's from Hermes again, or do you think it's a different brand? Are you curious? Dun, da, da, da. I'm going to open it, and this is not a true unboxing because, of course, you know, with LV, you have to inspect the quality, and I have run into a few situations in the past where the quality wasn't so great and I had to return the items. So, of course, I unboxed this first, and I inspected it to make sure it's perfect, and I love it. So, let me get this out here. Dun, dun, dun. Yay! Let me take the paperwork out. So this is the Louis Vuitton card holder in the absolutely beautiful classic Damier Ebene. I know a lot of time people say, oh, the classic monogram. The monogram came after the Damier Ebene. The Damier Ebene is the classic print. It's the original print. And then only after Louis Vuitton passed away is when his son developed the monogram print. So just a little bit of history for you guys if you're, into LV brand history. So this one here, again, beautiful Damier Ebene. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. That's one of the first things I did when I unboxed it. I had to sniff it because it has such a nice new canvas smell. If you know LV, then you know which smell I'm talking about. It's like when you sit in a brand new car and it has that fresh, gorgeous new leather smell. There's also a new canvas smell, and it smells so, so, so good. The glazing is perfect, as you can see. The stitching as well is perfect. And of course, I was not going to compromise for this giveaway item. And I made sure, don't know if I can show you here, but if you can see in there, it says Louis Vuitton made in France piece. If you are a regular here, you know that I have a strong preference for made in France pieces. I don't know why, if it's emotional, psychological, or just irrational, but I do have a preference for made in France pieces from Louis Vuitton because it's a French house, and I'm okay with made in Italy and made in Spain also, but for some reason I have not had good experiences with the made in USA pieces, so I have a bit of a bias against those. I'm just really happy this is made in France. I know some of you are also picky about that, so there'll be no issue if you win this and you prefer made in France as well. So let me hold up both items here. Here they are, and you can kind of see dimension-wise. Oh, am I in the camera? Yeah, dimension-wise. This is like a little square, and this obviously is a rectangular card holder. Oh, and it has one slot here, another slot in the back, and then the main compartment. And sometimes these types of card holders can be very stiff, but I feel like the canvas quality of this is quite nice. It is structured but also pliable, so it won't be an issue to get your cards and cash in and out of here. I don't know, I'm so picky. I have to look at all of these things. In terms of price, this one here is retail $220. That's again US dollars. So very similar in value, $235 versus $220. So depending on which one you prefer, they're roughly the same, in the same ballpark. Now, please listen carefully to the giveaway rules. There are very simple steps that you need to follow, but there are two new things to bear in mind for this particular giveaway. In my previous giveaways, like recently I did a Chanel giveaway. Congratulations, Dee, by the way. The package should be on its way, if not already with you, by the time I upload this video. So with that giveaway and many other previous giveaways, I had asked you to subscribe, like the video, and then comment down below. And when you comment, to add your Instagram handle, because that is my way of contacting you. Typically, when I do giveaways, I will use my Instagram platform, because a lot of you who subscribe to my channel are also followers on my Instagram. So it's just easy when I announce the winner, I put it up on my Instagram stories, and then it kind of blasts out to everyone. And then whoever the winner is tagged, and you get to see it right away. And then I have a very easy, quick way of being able to contact you. I can DM you with your Instagram handle, and we start to figure out logistics in terms of shipping information so I can get the goodie over to you. But this giveaway is to mark the 20K milestone for YouTube. So I want this to be exclusively for my very special YouTube subscribers who have been with me, okay? So you do not need to add your Instagram handle. Instead, I'm going to announce the winner in a follow-up YouTube video. So that's a very important distinction because we're going to be announcing the giveaway in a different way. The other thing I want to share is because this is being exclusively done on YouTube, you can comment as many times as you want. I am using the commentpicker.com. It's just this service. It's a free service that randomly and automatically generates winners for giveaways. It just picks a comment, and that's what I've been using the last couple of giveaways because now we have a lot of people entering and I cannot, pick myself. I just can't, and I want it to be fair and random. So I'm going to use the commentpicker.com. That means that the more times you comment, if you choose to, the higher the chance you have of winning because you're playing the odds. So you can come back as many times as you want in the window of time that this giveaway is open, and you can comment over and over again. So hopefully that's clear. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I would assume if you're watching this video, you are already subscribed, but just in case. And then like this video by hitting the thumbs up button and comment again as many times as you want, and then be on the lookout for when I announce the winner here on my channel. Hope that makes sense. Here's a look at the two goodies again. Good luck to all of you who are entering. The giveaway is open worldwide, international as usual, and I will see you all next time. Happy holidays. Bye-bye.